Switch UTAB's power off. Now press the power button and the volume up button. And keep them both pressed until you see the Lenova screen appearing. As the Lenova screen appears, let the power button go, while still keeping the up volume button pressed. Now wait until you see the selection menu. Now use the up or down volume buttons to select the Wipe Factory Reset option. Then press the power button to carry out the selection. Now select the Yes Delete All User Data option. Now the factory reset option will be carried out.